Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update. Today we have a number of important stories. Before we proceed with these stories, please support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Authorities in Payam, Budi County, Eastern Equatorial State in South Sudan have confirmed a deadly shooting at gold mining site on Tuesday night. According to the report said one person was killed and another seriously injured after an army group stormed the site, according to Nwaro Payam Executive Director Juma Rugasiano Lotirmo. The incident started after a dispute between workers. He explained that one worker had been dismissed earlier by his employer, but instead of leaving quietly, the dismissed worker came back later at night with two army men. Together, they opened fire on colleague at the mining site. Both men who were targeted were shot in the leg. Sadly, one of them bled heavily and passed away overnight. The other is currently receiving medical treatment. The main suspect is on the run, and authorities have already arrested the employer. A South Sudanese known as Emma is being investigated for allegedly fueling the conflict. Executive Director Lotirmo also warned local about security risk in Lopua, another mining area known for criminal activities. This comes from the local community. He urged people to stay in Ngoro town, where security is considered more stable. This story once again shows how conflict over resources like gold mining can easily lead to violence in South Sudan. Authorities are continuing investigation. Another top story: 16 soldiers SSPDF were arrested after trader lost 18 million South Sudanese pound in Turale. In Warab State, security authorities in Driek County have arrested 16 SSPDF soldiers after a major robbery in Turale town. According to officials, a Sudanese trader named Adam Salaman lost 18 million South Sudanese pound after his shop was raided in the middle of the night. The thief broke his padlock and broke into the shop and took money as well as food and non-food items. This happened around 1 a.m. on Thursday. Speaking to the media, Adam said, "In the morning, I found my shop broken into and all the money was gone. This is 18 million pounds. The government must protect trader and their property." This incident is not the first time. Just few days earlier, another shop was robbed in the same market. In that case, thieves stole 570,000 South Sudanese pounds. Several mobile phones and other items were also missing. The Turale Trader Union Chairman Gareng Mangong condemned the insecurity and called for stronger deployment of forces in the market. In response, Driek County Commissioner John Mabir Warup confirmed that 16 SSPDF soldiers who were supposed to patrol the area have been arrested. He said the soldiers failed their duty to protect the people and would be held accountable. This is a serious question: how can citizens and traders trust the security system when even forces meant to protect them are accused of negligence or even involvement in robberies? We move now to Juba. Chief Justice reinstate Machar lawyer, where there has been an important update in the high-profile trial of Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others. Two defense lawyers of Dr. Machar, John Deng and Werenyang Kir, Werenyang had been removed from the courtroom earlier this week because their practicing license were not renewed. But the Chief Justice, Dr. Benjamin Bagdeng, has given them special permission to rejoin the defense team. This decision was made under Section 182 of the South Sudan Code of Criminal Procedure. It allowed the two lawyers to participate specifically in Machar case, even though their license were technically expired. The defense team is now back in full force, led by Dr. Gary Raimondo Lega, a respected law professor. The trial taking place at Freedom Hall involved charge of treason, crime against humanity and terrorism, and mass murder. These charges related to the March 2025 attack in Nasser County, which the government say were carried out by Machar SPLM-IO force and the Y Army militia. The court is scheduled to continue on October 16, 2025 after an adjournment. This case has drawn massive attention because it involved South Sudan first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, and it could shape the country's political futures. We have a statement made by artist Emmanuel Jal. Emmanuel Jal speak out on Machar case. International artist and human rights activist Emmanuel Jal Jok has broken his silence on the trial. Jal, who is well known globally, said the case is not just about Dr. Riek Machar. It is about trying to break the spirit of the Nuer people. Artist Emmanuel Jal explained that if you want to destroy a people hope, you take their strongest leader, humiliate them and destroy them in front of everyone. That is the message this trial is sending. His words have added more weight to the concern of many Nuer citizens who believe the case is politically motivated, not just a legal matter. Our fifth top story, trader killed in Lake State attack. Heartbroken story now from Lake State. Authorities in Panyujar County, one of the Nuer County, have condemned a brutal attack on trader traveling by boat to Juba. The attack happened in Shambek, where 51 Nuer traders were reportedly killed, or some of them were killed. But one person was reported that he was killed, but the other 51 was missing. So people assume that 51 Nuer traders are killed, because not yet, they haven't yet reported themselves to Panyujar. And one person survived, and that person was also reported to Panyujar, but the rest of 51 traders are still missing. Officials are calling on the Lake State government to urgently investigate and bring the attacker to justice. This tragedy highlights how dangerous road and waterway remain for ordinary South Sudanese trying to earn a living. Our sixth report is about Red Bell Group. Red Bell Group refused to disarmament in Bor. In Jonglei State, the army militia known as the Red Bell Group has refused to hand over their weapon. The group, which was formed to target Barghazal communities in Bor, say the government is biased in its disarmament campaign. They believe negotiations have been unfair. At the same time, the National Security Service has launched a new operation in Bor town to try and disarm the militia, but the refusal raises fear of fresh violence in the region. Local sources claim that the Red Bell Group may have political backing from powerful figures in Juba, including senior members of the Jonglei Jing community. This situation adds to the already tense environment in Bor, and citizens fear that if disarmament fails, clash could erupt at any time. Jolin kon mo gwasame bantin kon lat rodian banakeling are which South Sudan getting content cha rodian lat ken kono ni ami jira mi jidit gwasame gore jen wojin de channel me de subscribe tin kade jen nyakane ko ken ani biya kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel wamne biyen letin kon lat rodian biyen ka LinkedIn ler ni ambal ni gwasame abana rocha charam kel cha janak doran chalke ngaro ka dor chalke Eastern Equatorial State jendana banalik ngaro payam buddi kante kiseni ko trusted chala do charam kel chajanak gwada dan en to goal teten kete dapteten ala goal mining site gwala goal la jatet keten regme togo ke Tuesday ke chankaro ke report chala do ne charam kel chajanak charam dodien chaje moy ko bot ne tila dine tishiben gwada dan en tet ke dapten according to ngaro Payam, Executive Director Tejo Michalat, Wun Michal Ke Juma, Rugasiano, Jelado and Regame Toga Korkami, she ladang row and Shikarwal. Ladang row Tom Shikarwalone, watch a let Kelchai to dismiss Kechai Jugunojin Wircham, Lo Cha look Chatu Ramadan, la employer Kiramadan and Mojikalat. Dundo Guadich Jian, a waka where she will lunjok. Michel Lunjok, watch a lunjok and ne dang road to take a match to Ladinian, Kine Jalga match, and Wenamo. You can chu ben ka chu kan ma chu kan chu lep kanetin content gwa goal ka ane to shukan ne dangro yukan yo bar shukaram kel yukan nak ka shukaram kel mo shukan shumoy ka bot ala ne dangro to ni wakan cha moy ka bot cha ka bar chung ken duno ram kel ka wer chu yere sho jen duno ram do dien wang wode teteka wa jatin moy ka jaka wal ka jen equatoria gwa dan en te goal teten equatoria gwa mete ka dam ditalong and when mon jen gwa dan la dabla jikatin South Sudan government Ramadan en chiran min wona nun ki jangna ko ba kanak ram choro da bar kana kon kep wache jen ram cha kep Ramadan e moy kelat ala Ramadan china che kul tu ko wajen cha kep tam ku South Sudan ram shal ke ema cha yen ka na telat ke investigation ko do badan en tok rega mokaje ko waje Ramadan en to ko bana baran be jo ka Ramadan to go bana bikin executive director Lotirmo chalado nene chalado local community ka qui security risk ko lo pa ala gold mining do dien meten winimi bane jaga jogo no tiede rodun ka criminal activities netin kondelat ko rodien jaga jogo no dere dana to yeba ka kuje mo jaga rodun ko biarun gang ngai content dia la to ka qui gold mining ala dab la ri wala ka no kodi ajen mi cha ka la je wiya ko ka biya yo biya ka jek anamo wa mi chiran che dap che jik dong de je padaran de jinak ki mi chala ga ga ram de jinak de nyung de ka kan so ku je mo wa guru je de ku ma de ka gang ban gwat dan to mining tin ban ngay yena ano gold mining rewi ka South Sudan kan ka ke ne to control officially bran belet ram belet yo ko re no ba yo ka ba ko kan dong bo jing no to ka rwade so no ba jituk so nyu da jeno jin brode be je ko dong jen gwadan ku ko ku jik tin jen mi chaling ude me e shulu njoko warden charan che be nak ler dina balin gwas me bana racha ka kwi mentwo kan kono nyam gwas me kala rado dien goro jeno jin der subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko de ler ti de kan chomala shukiji ka jawon chalat gwas me men nyak yekele nyok chala do ne na chani at shop ka wel bakel de ni dan wel bakel tela de ni SSPDF cha ka yen awaken yan ka ko cha yuru shop ke 18 million SSP ala South Sudanese spawn te chakwal ka cheng yen kan gaje riga me toga ka warab state no gwada dana cha dinyi dangwal bakel cha ga yen tin ka Twitch County chikala no cha din dangwal bakel to cha ga yen gwan ma cha yo cha ka kwaltin dor chwal ke Turale town according to official ka joran jikana lat ekene Sudanese trader Ramimo gwanya gat ka Sudanese chi South Sudanese wun Michel ka Adam Salaman Adam ajana jana she yo to shop ke 18 million South Sudanese pound shakabat alo shikabat gwan me sha dore cha jawo daka werne tilachur mi nawo ajana cha dwele ke dan la ga ka ajana cha brok ke cha tet no chicken chure ajana cha UT 18 South Sudan 18 million South Sudanese pound cha kanang ka chike kwa ko ken te tuk cha kanang bo sure to tone ke ta kel ke weather ala 1 am cha kul right ke jimi dian wo karun wang mena ba tuk da ba bugul ke shop ajana sha jiga no cha kwa ka dial cha kanang ka cha yo ko cha kanang and when money en cha investigation cha kano cha ngaje no en where mo tene tilet ala dini SSPDF to ke soldier to to wal badak wa ken neten content ganka jen wermo chachu gujen odongde ka part of the system dan and she you would kaname 18 million South Sudanese pound sik chaga kwaleken ke dong chiga na chicken kalwak chawla do ne chachu yen amenitin awana me che jen chenga nyam ko ba kwak ba ga kwal chala ko kor gwade paiwu ka jong te paiwu few days ago wacha yuri chop ka 570,000 South Sudanese pound chaga kwal kene mobali kenne to ko kien te tere tungnen wena mo bo Turale Trade Union Chairman wun michal ka garang ngok chela do ne me mi jega lonka Queen Security Government en winami lana anta mi chikal no no letken la kwa kwal gan nyang na mi anga no jinti ka do ba du no baja kan Twitch County Commissioner John Mabior Marup chela do ne ajane ke kwiko cha kwa ka to cha ka kwal ta de inte konte yen ka jen wera mo cha ka chu yen de ni SSPDF dangwal bakel to go kono ken akaniten kon tin nang ka kwa ke kwal ka ngwak ka jodan chala de kan gwasme ngai konen wo South Sudan ngo de tere ding ni mi dong bitika duor ka badun ba jonan ka bom aramimo mi kero de luang ke kan let ka be dun manan chilat ka korun to ngwan ba jonan chagu jene me che chong ami je kalong shana ben kaler de dien gwasme mashallah anetin kontin la tela jingwani ke judges ka doben cha luk cha je luk jen walle no ka shenga doka pai wel ron kin dangro jen dangro de di Chief Justice chela do ne kene chikene Driek Riek Machar different lawyer ken chiken ka nyoka mulo ken kalet ngai kona ka kor juga me pai wo cha ka kapchong no chiken bi chong gwa da danan kwa Driek Riek Machar kwa je defendant kana netin content cha yen ka jakel la two different lawyer Deng John Deng kana wun Michel ka warnyang kir warnyang akane te konde cha suspend watch license den eno che je cha chu peno de ko courtroom ka kor joga me paiwo antama chala do ken cha ka allow Chief Justice Dr. Benjamin Bagdeng chaka mo ke special permission ano bika ko appear ko court biken Dr. Machar biken defend ko waken batiken ka chuang ko de can participate la different lawyer ka Dr. Machar ka jodan chalat chiken wone ne decision dan cha kan ka je under section 182 ka South Sudan Court of Criminal Procedure mite ga bir michala te 182 court mala ngai ke so micha gor ka boko ba jo kwenen ram me te ka chuang ko jen de mo ke special permission ko there participate ke there to go down and to goten a chang cha license de a chang license a chang expert many micha license de che nyoko mo ko je update chi defense team chi kala do ne kani ta dan en chalat judge ni no wo Canadian content la defend lawyer Driek Riek Machar kani a normal procedure bo che je ko ba kul ngaje no ken ke legit ke shi ke legit antama cha ka allow wude chalke Dr. Gere Raimondo lega chela do ne na amu gwalo no cha team me cha nyoko mu loy ke je ko bi ken ben la defend lawyer nyok Driek Riek Machar an wala ke ta dan chinaro ke jere wi ki juba chala do ne cha luk mo cha je luk ba luk te ga mi te ke diutin luk cha je yot ka chang wal bakel ka jan pai wala me ron kin daro jan dangro de dich ano ala luk Driek Riek Machar ko Driek Riek Machar wala der wajan wala ba tel mi cha ling man tam ka tel jom chalat ba chala do ne cha luk cha yot ka October 16 2025 ka cha yu gak an mo so mi chinen me mi choda ladan wala kwai ga na choda lat behind closed door ko an wala tel media mi cha brief ken ka tel mi ken lat ba chalan jeno cha ja jont ano Riek Machar belo ra ke chang mi ba chala do Riek Machar right pan du no tel mi chalat ke kwide ka jodan chalat so mi chinen mo mi choda lat ke reaction dan china chi ga ya ka je chi artist Emmanuel Jal charwa je long ka ta dan en cha Riek Machar cha ji lu ka jen ngai kon Emmanuel Jal no jen a international artist ka jen a human right activist Emmanuel Jal jok jen chi lode jadalong ko do dan en dong lo ke Riek Machar chela do ne na ken yam ngai kon Emmanuel Jal ngai ka ji global ni dial teram ku Emmanuel Jal wi mon ka tin dial kon lede ta dan lo ka na ka je ke ta dan la twara ga je bane no ka lo ga ne tin wan long wi mon mission a chi ga chu la ro fi la ka lo ga no ka jen la na la ka entertain antama cha right ka kwi ka mandan en cha tuogo no cha Riek Machar cha ji lu ka je te ga jom chalat gwasame a jene lu da na lo ka Riek Machar a jene cha lu Riek Machar bad yar ka nan wari kuma kirme yadi enona chela do ne if you want to destroy a people hope you take their strongest leader ajan muguru jeno bnad be kayar dor ma biye yar la korina dan en bumni jen man ngat kanje la ja destroy ke be yar ajan jen dan lat ka kan warina mene ya kuma kirmi yadit ano ngai kono no na me tok ko ramadan bumni jen long Riek Machar kene kon cha yen kel ko kene te kon te tar ka kor kete te nakana ka kwidien ko shunkan kan wari ke 2013 ko ngai ko Riek Machar shira mi mo de larno a normal person kodi jen medan me chala do brodo chung ti ker che jelo ka jen offense by president me chala do brodo chung chwa jelo ko kim yadit namo che kim yadit to ko to ko ja ka chon wari wonak mo ko te ko ba chole SPLM-IO tama ba tam chagu jen jen ba je target ko chagu dial chagu go do dan de je je ba che telwe the only way wo ba nwari no ba ka dop no ka kur en ci akula nen ka nasir mukula te ko ba Riek Machar ba jilu gon walle kene dial ko te ka ken lu Riek Machar ci Riek Machar ka wade yar ka no kon dial ko Riek Machar a symbol of hope ka kon dial ci ka tay dan ci dor ci togo je ci nwara ka rodien amana South Sudan is ken dial jo me chala de Emmanuel Jal no mu gor jeno jin bine tobe ka yar amma bumni jen ka ke jen law yakane mo be humiliate ki be la de jek be kul nyoda no telekalot jen ta dana ci Emmanuel Jal ci raje mo ci jalat ki je jen if you want to destroy it, people hope you take their strongest leader, humiliate them and destroy them in front of everyone That is the message this trial is sending. Gentlemen dan and let lugume, gen lugu dan and let kira ma yadi de kim and gorgono, became a gorno baling win monitor dien. Chana bun ka dobe dan e cha nuori cha kan ka je dor chal ke Lake State. Nuarte jen ka jongle no ku ka lawe ka panyi jar ka Unity State. Dia je chikon dia ling no cha ramkel cha jenak reine ni choku jendi ju diok karamkel mi cha bar. Ne jendi ju de kel kwa ke gwa dan chiko tin ka jo dan chalat. Ano ko ken chu ka Lake State che jang chi rin churi alaka to ka dor chal ke Shambek and gwa mo chu abu dan tiketin chu ayi chu wono no ba ka ba bar mi cha bara che to ka gwa no ne cha ne tin kontin tere border che to no ken ba ka mu kariya ka jo dan chalat. Of course ngay kon dan le rode no mu and boot ngay kon bon le kan jal bon mi cha jal la jena ben dreide ba teknate one bana me cha joje gwan wone na cha nuori cha ka target wena mo allow official and content tray which ka panye jar ka chika la do ne na ken gur chicken mandana chalat jang chicken condem wad dana cha ne te chop ko jandang de ju diok cha ka yaw dor charam kel cha nak charam kel cha mu ka bot du no ne de jendi kel kwai ka je ken kan chop mi cha kun nak wala kan kan nak na mo ngur up to now ngur tina tin gur ka jeno ba jangaj but tell way out. Should officially show can it contact Lake State la jang is Lake State government and they can investigation they can lot they can it in content na kan wore kila wala ya maka da do ko waga pet they can go no they can ka justice ka jawdan tikan lot chajo mo chajo la kan but not yet tell respond mi chana no re which mi ka Lake State ngay ne je gwan wona me chi jan chang nyam chi me chana ngay ni wal and won wala la jeng ka panye jar ne cha kon pet bor and then chwana chwa kan nak ne jan bakale kon wachi ne wan ke ne die ne cha na ka tana chi gan chop da which but right now cha talk ne jan di kel kan ngana chubatum ka panye jar ka jowran chalat so ne tumwan dier ken ka ta dan en la na jel ke je bana ma der klo kan ne ko lan wore ka panye jar en wo me ngay na gwan wo telwe mi biya wo ka je ka ko pinte gen secure che gwan wo biya jal chi gwano bay we na ka da do ben ano belela wiari kashe mana kon na mo chi mo go jeno de na de ga charten ko tam de ko te tin na de wo kam jelna na me chi chong jo me der wo ka community nore jo den gwas me men banaling no a red bell group re which ka jongle a bor waji kan logo ba me ken ba ka be kume jongle state governor che kan jo la ne kani tama shi kuma shi kugwa ko ci national security ja chobre which wa red bell group ja ga jogo no me kun monaka but chaluk red bell group kan wa kan target den te ka bargazal community ka jo chalat gwasme wa kan wa kwanga ke ko kan bi kan dor ken bi kan ga gang but ci jan dana lat kana wa kan ci rodien form ke ci organize ka do mi mo mi be ga no te jang tiken ka titin ka joran chala ke ko ken lel kana la wonak ni ti mo chicken ga denak so me gang kan ko ken ke gang kan ne ken da tere ka joran chala ke but right now ka jojo no ken awa group cha organize and edit re ka juba and on edit to awa ka lat ku metidit no tila jang national security service chicken torbiyel ko jen diok ti ti an ke de ni kan dia chicken ga nangare ka jongle state when mo chikana no de kan room kanete kontila red bell group ko de kan me ken de kan queen but chaga jogun no chala do red bell group chigala do nena chine me ko chine bi queen mo gor yene gor ne so right now man talk awata ko tin shitkari polisha no walle wa dong te ko mi tere which binami ka jongle do no dar kula rar chire which ka jodan sha queen ka ja na me jena dan en gorno de nywa yakel. As we can see, South Sudan continue to face serious challenges, insecurity, political trial, robberies, and militia activities. But at Changfied News, we will continue to bring you the truth in simple words that everyone can understand. If you are new here to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.